Hi and welcome to my channel. I have another unboxing today. It's two items. They are not very big, but they are from the Pausa collection and I'm very excited to share these items with you. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe for more and follow me on Instagram. I have a smaller bag today, luckily. So I have these two cute items. I saw one when I went to exchange my red bag. As you can see, there is an issue with the stamping and I didn't notice it at the beginning. Anyway, it was exchanged and I'm quite happy to have it. And luckily it still didn't pass 30 days, so I had a chance to exchange it. I brought it in boutique and they had a new piece that hasn't been on display and I exchanged it. And then I saw this little cute bracelet. They only had one piece and I had to have it. And I saw a super cute bag as well. I saw some other items. I also saw this super cute coin bag on chain and I really like it. I love this color, but I already bought a medium flap in this color. There were so many awesome, beautiful bags that I loved. I loved them all in various colors, but I got two other items. By the way, something went wrong with my phone again. I recorded the unboxing of two items and when I looked at it, there was something wrong with the format. It looks like I wasn't holding my camera in the correct way, but I was. I don't know what's wrong. This happened before. The first item is this bracelet, which I adore. It's so cute. So there is an instruction, care instruction. Here is the bracelet. I love it. I will put it on my wrist to show you how it looks. At the private launch event, I saw quite a few bracelets. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Oh, I'm so glad I have it. It's so pretty. Look, it will look great with so many outfits. I can wear it with any top, even with jeans and a t-shirt, and it's just gonna look so cute. And there's CC logo. I love it. It's so adorable. Show it to you now. I just want to wear this bracelet today. It's so pretty. I have to be careful when using perfume, and I wash my hands very often. I would have to move it or take it off, or yeah. How gorgeous is this bracelet? So beautiful. It's perfect. Maybe I even like this one more than with so many pearls and with a CC in the middle. I think this one is even cuter. I really love this bracelet. I just can't stop admiring it. It's so beautiful and I think one is enough for me. I will not be buying anymore. Next one, I have this cute bag. It's so tiny. Perfect for holidays. I already removed the paper. Get my camera focus. It's super adorable. Comes with authenticity card. This bag is made in Italy. It's made in Italy. There's two compartments, one maybe for some cards or, you know, like subway pass or something like that. There is no way I can fit in my iPhone XS in here. No way. This bag is just for cash and for cards. I can fit in my card holder, which is so full of so many cards, coins. It's huge. So I can just put it inside. I can fit in a couple of lipstick, like there's plenty of space. Maybe a small tiny perfume bottle, and I can close it up. And that's how it looks. So cute. Okay. It falls a little bit long. You're probably wondering, why do I need such a small bag? Because not much can fit in. Well, actually quite a few items can fit in except my phone. But actually when I go on beach holidays or if I'm running my errands, I don't feel like bringing my medium flap or small flap every time. I saw a really cute vanity case in this color combination and I really liked it, but I thought that the price is quite high and I just wanted to have a small bag that is very functional and reasonably priced. There are 3 different ways you can carry this bag. Apart from on your shoulder, across the shoulder, you can also wrap it around your wrist. And that's my favorite way of carrying this bag. It's so convenient. And it's pretty secure as well. I know nobody will snatch it from me. When I go to certain countries, I'm always worried about someone snatching the bag from me, but it's quite convenient way of carrying it. And of course, I'm gonna carry it across the shoulder. I always keep my bags in a dust bag, and this bag comes with a care instruction. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like the items. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!